From laptops and batteries to light fixtures, excess heat impacts both performance and lifespan. This is where Y-Plasma actuators make a difference. Powered by DBD plasma technology, they generate an ionized airflow that enhances thermal management without fans or moving parts. Unlike traditional fans that move large volumes of air, Y-Plasma actuators target heat at its source, improving heat transfer and minimizing dust buildup. They are ultra-slim, designed to fit into tight spaces where fans cannot. Whisper quiet, operating below 30 decibels, perfect for noise-sensitive environments. Highly durable. With no mechanical parts, they require less maintenance and offer greater reliability. This breakthrough technology is redefining thermal management in consumer electronics, lighting, batteries, workstations, and beyond.